Because I don't have one. Oh. What about you? Your girlfriend doesn't mind being left alone? Oh?
Are you laughing at the kitty kitty?
Oh.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
What are you laughing at?
Wishing to speak? Sure. Another word coincidence. Well, it just so happens I was on my way to a certain royal summon, the party of the first
Say
party.
kiki kiki kiki.
Discuss some currently unavailable.
Come here, kitty 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 kitty.
Petition the kingdom for the right
Say
to become
kiki.
lawyer.
Liam, say kiki.
Why not? There are no laws against it when you're
Say
following
come
the
here, kitty 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 kitty. Come here, kitty kitty kitty. Now let's not get up. Say kiki. Okay, let's get up.
I'm sure if you make a good autumn, it'll come round.
You gotta go get Kiki?
Thank you for your...
You gotta go get Kiki? No, come here. Come here. Liam, come here.
You're about to become king. You'll have to
Come here. Let's not go get Kiki. Come here. Let's not go get Kiki. You're gonna fall. Come here. Oh!
your uncle.
Say
There
hey.
are people who have no say in the
Say
matter.
hey.
Nobody should be forced to do things.
Say
they don't
mama.
want to. Take it from
Say bye-bye, mama. Say bye-bye, mama. Bye-bye. Okay.